What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we got another repo video, man. These repos are getting out of control. Let's get into it.
Come with me on a, what is it called? Day in the life with me on a Saturday, nope, on a Friday. It's only 12:04 and I am going on my first test drive for the day with Destiny.
Repos.
Destiny, check in.
Again, man, what make these people think that you're gonna drive off the tow truck? Now, I know there's some videos in here where people do get off the tow truck, but all you're doing is ruining the car more. I never understand that. That's crazy. That joint ain't going nowhere, son. Especially an electric car.
Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go?
Oh, they about to
So
go
what's
down.
up?
Oh!
Look at your car. Look at your car. Look at your car. You see that, right? Look at
They
you.
style record.
Okay, Bobby, go on.
I don't mind working extra.
See, that's what I always say, guys. To be a repo man, you gotta be tough, and you gotta be holding. You gotta have your concealed carry. There's no way I could be a repo man and don't have my weapon with me. There's no way.
If I get paid,
Oh, then of course somebody slipped. I swear. Why do they park the cars where they're easily accessible? Like, if you know your car under repossession, why park it where people can just easily grab it? I never understand that. Look, super easy. It's sad, man. Like I said, I'm just reacting to the video. I mean, just like I said, like I always said on my videos, guys, this can happen to anybody. You just never know what their situation is. But these high car payments, man. When that reality hit, some people like, you know what, forget it. They can have this joint back. Look how fast they be maneuvering those daggone tow trucks. That's what's amazing to me. It don't take them no time to pick their truck up and pull out of there. All-wheel drives probably gonna have to lift those rear tires. Yep, that's exactly what you're about to do because it's all-wheel drive.
Caught bro slipping at work.
Uh-oh. That's the worst. Get your car repoed at work. Then why would you park it right there? Man, hold on, bro. If you know your car's under repossession, why would you park it in the front of your job and wide open like that? Now, I think he probably knew they was coming to get it. Because there's no way I would park my car right there and my car under repossession. He probably wanted them to come get that car. And that's an older Mercedes. That's not even a new car. So that's probably one of those buy here, pay here deals. That's crazy. They made it super easy. Or it could have been a voluntary.
Buddy gonna be taking the bus home.
Yeah. It may have been a voluntary repo. But he just told him to come get it just as well as when we parked there. Because they know where you work. It's not a secret.
Around me, catch nobody like that. No, don't do it. Please don't do it.
Whoa, wait a minute. Hey, Slim, she came out of the house with no shirt on, bruh. And that's a BMW. Never fails. Good old BMWs. That's crazy. And she tried to drive.
Yeah, Cheetos. Up on them singles. After that corner.
So this Bam at the strip club and a BMW, and it's under repo. So he rather give his money to the strippers than to pay his car note. Hey man, some of y'all wild, Slim. Y'all wild, bro. The good old classic damage the car because I ain't paid my car no move. So they be damaging some more, so I owe more money when they try to sell it at the auction. What people don't understand is when your car get repoed, man, you still gotta pay for it. And if you vandalize the car, you're gonna get less for it at the auction. So that means you're gonna owe more. So you're paying for a car you don't even have. So it don't pay to damage. You gotta control your emotions, man.
The ghetto. The ghetto.
Huh? Yeah, the red car's gone.
Guarantee you can find right after that.
Y'all gotta stop taking your cars to the dealership when they're up for repo.
What?
Waiting around, the ups
Hold
and
up.
downs, you know.
Wait a minute. So that man took his car to the dealership and it's under repo. So you go get your oil changed knowing they're about to repo your car. Man, y'all wild. That's wild, man. So there you have it, guys. Another repo video, man. These things are getting crazier and crazier. You got this person right here, man. 8 repos, and they still gonna finance them a car with 0 down. That's unbelievable what these banks will do. And it just never fails, man. Like, why damage a car that's under repo? I mean, you're gonna still owe for that vehicle. So leave your comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think, man. This stuff is getting so wild. I got many more videos to come. I'm gonna try to expand my content, guys. I'm gonna do police chase reaction videos, all kinds of stuff, guys, on this channel. So if you're new, man, hit the like button, subscribe. We about to turn it up. I'm trying to get into more reaction videos, man. I really enjoy making these videos and getting you guys feedback, and hopefully we all can learn something from these videos. So if you're new, again, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you out on the next one.